everyone, my name is Kate Randall. I am the owner and creator of Kate&Barrel Designs here in Tucson, Arizona. And today we're gonna go ahead and apply our first top coat to this gorgeous vanity that we stained in a Java Gel stain by General Finishes. And we're going to also be using another General Finishes product. It's their satin finish gel top coat. It's a wipe-on urethane. So basically it's kind of this goopy, yellowy looking kind of substance. It doesn't cause this to turn yellow or anything like that though. But I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up. I've kind of already pre-opened it, so it's ready to go. It's a little goopy. Stir it up with my stir stick, and I'm gonna actually apply some to my paper plate, and then I'm gonna use my applicator pad to kind of nicely apply all of this to it. And again, it's just a wipe on, so you're not really, you're probably gonna end up using just a little bit. It doesn't smell delicious, I'll tell you that right now. Notice I'm wearing gloves, okay? So I do utilize gloves. Unfortunately, I'm inside today because it's kind of crummy outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick that over there. So I'm basically just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my applicator pad and get it kind of all on there, okay? And then I literally am just gonna go ahead and wipe it on to my piece. Now, some of the stain might come up with it, and I'm actually okay with that. It means it just wasn't ready to soak in all the way, but that's okay. So you kind of just go ahead, wipe it on, bring it all the way down, nice and light. It's gonna go across the front. It is a satin, it's not a flat finish. Don't have to use too much of it. I'm also going to apply this to the feet that I stained previously, the legs on this piece, the front legs. I've got a lot of phases left on this piece. It's pretty quick and easy though. You will not do just one coat though. Keep that in mind, that you will do several coats of this. Kind of just go through, smooth it all out. Make sure you get in the crevices. And that's essentially it for our first coat. You can see that it's a nice shiny coat, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 24 hours and let it dry. So I don't have any kind of goopies on it or anything like that. It's just all nice and smooth. The applicator pad is a really great source to use for that. So I will see you back when we're ready to go ahead and apply the second top coat. See you soon. Hi, so we are back. And we have done one solid coat of the gel stain or gel top coat wipe on urethane in satin from General Finishes. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat. I have gone through and done a light sand with probably a 220, 320 grit sandpaper. Super light, and gone ahead and wiped off any of the excess dust that's come off of it. I keep my pad that I used before in a little baggie so it doesn't dry up, and I can continue to use it for this project. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually just take a little bit. This is a little unconventional, but I'm gonna just kind of dribble a little bit of this on here because I'm just gonna wipe it anyways and smooth it all out all over it. So, and you don't really need a lot of it, which is awesome. The first coat we used a little bit more. The second coat we really don't need to use very much at all, which is so great. So like I said, full coverage. Look, it's already going on really nice and smooth. It is a little stinky. Today I'm indoors, So it's got a little bit of a stink going on, but open up some windows and you should be all right. Don't highly recommend it all the time, but sometimes you gotta work indoors, right? Okay. So I'm gonna go through and do a full smooth out on each one, kind of to make sure I got like a nice smooth finish. Oh, there go my dogs. Every time. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of go through and do a nice even wipe so I know I have even coverage going through the entire piece on the top, just like so. And that's it. So that's our second coat. Once this coat is fully dry, after about 24 hours, come back, can do another little light sand if I need to, or I can leave as is depending on how smooth it feels. I like the tops of things to be a little extra smooth, but it's really great to be able to use this product. I love it. Highly recommend it. It's pretty fairly easy to use, nothing too complicated. Do recommend that you wear a glove, at least on the hand that you're utilizing for application. And it gives that really nice shiny sheen as well with that satin finish. So thanks for watching, you guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kate&Barrel Designs, for more videos on how to apply different types of products to furniture. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.